Don't you dare put that on my roof.
We're finally at a point where I think we can take some time to focus on our stuff. We've taken the time today to start taking the things out of the shop shops and offices and everything else that might be savable. Alexis had a pretty extensive Hot Wheels collection. She was able to save that. Well, it was like a half save. But our next step here is to see about the R33. See if we can get the battery's dead on it. It's been dead on it. It's one of those forever sitting projects in our shop. So, anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and try to get it jump started. See if we can get it running, and as long as everything's good, we can get it outside. Let it start drying out, and hope for the best, honestly, with everything. So, you ready? So, you ready?
My box with rotors and stuff is falling apart.
Did it get wet?
Yes. So cardboard is ripped apart. Does anybody want to buy a flooded R33 with a half-ton tandem kit? So I think Vasily is just not realizing what I've been trying to tell him of how wet it really got on the inside. He didn't believe me, but he's now failing around in there, and I think he's come to realize that it's wet. Don't you dare put that on my roof. What a sad box. So I guess we're gonna try to start it now. If I'm being honest, I'm actually kind of scared right now. Peep that I love driving slow summer vibes. They real ones. Okay, here we go. I'm scared. Fingers crossed, guys. Please, Lord. I've been good. Oh God. Why am I so scared right now?
I don't see any issues electronically or mechanically with the car from the water, which is awesome. I think all it's really going to need is to get the seats unbolted, take the carpet out, truly just try to clean out all the water and get rid of any kind of stench.
What he's saying is I have an excuse to get all new interior.
Yeah, all new interior.
This thing hasn't moved in months. Keep it straight. That Nose Tech Pearl Lavender though is very filthy right now. Oh, look how cute he looks in a purple car, guys. Porsche go purple? I kind of agree.
Alrighty guys, so we still don't have any electricity, but we do have running water. So Alexis is gonna go ahead and wash up the R33 the old-fashioned way. Plug it. And so, nice kicks.